This is easily the worst usability I've ever seen in a mainstream software program. The only thing I've done here is I've just loaded up, I've dragged and dropped an image on the timeline, and if you click on it, you will have the video effects menu here. In opacity, I drag this mask, which creates a square shape, which is all, you know, pretty intuitive. But now the problem comes. Let's say you want to make this bigger. You drag at this corner, right? Wrong. Doesn't work. What if you, I don't know, maybe control click or something? Control click. Nope. That doesn't do it either. Maybe shift. Nope. Doesn't do anything. I'm dragging the cursor. Nothing is happening. What you really have to do is go outside of a corner until this arrow show up and then press shift. And then you get higher or smaller. Tap a square. But what if I just want to move one of the sides of the I want to turn this into some type of rectangle. I want to drag this wall to the left. Well, the way to do that is even more complicated. You have to kind of shift click on the corner, then shift click on the other one, and then release the shift, and then drag this. Extremely counterintuitive how to do this. It's a usability nightmare, basically. So you have to, in order to get one of the walls of this rectangle to move, you have to, okay, shift, then click, then maintain the shift, another click, then you have to release the shift, and then click again. It's just too annoying. This is like I could never. If anybody asks me, you recommend this software to anybody, my answer will be definitely no. Definitely no. It's an abject no. I really, honestly, I've dealt with a lot of programs, but this is just like a freaking nightmare to deal with. It's very powerful, but my final answer is maybe DaVinci Resolve is a little bit better. And I haven't even tried it, but I really hate this. All right. Well, on that positive note, take care and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.